You are going to love the 2015 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio, internet radio, Stitcher. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.